In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send internal notifications on WhatsApp in GoHighLevel tutorial. By the end, you'll have a simple workflow that pings your team on WhatsApp the moment a contact gets tagged, so nothing slips through the cracks. Before we start, make sure your WhatsApp channel is connected in GoHighLevel, and your team members have valid WhatsApp numbers on their user profiles. That way, notifications can be delivered without issues. From your GoHighLevel dashboard, head to Automation. This is where all your workflows live. Click Create Workflow to spin up a new one, and choose Start from Scratch so we have full control over what gets triggered and who gets notified. Now add your trigger. Click Add New Trigger, then choose Contact Tag. This tells the workflow to fire when a specific tag is applied to a contact. Select the tag you use to indicate a new lead, booking, or whatever event should prompt a notification. When you're done, click Save Trigger. If you see a second Save Trigger confirmation, click that too to make sure your changes stick. Next, we'll add the action that sends the notification. Click the plus icon to add an action to the workflow. In the action search, start typing internal to bring up the option you need, then select Send Internal Notification. In the action settings, open Select a Type and choose WhatsApp so the alert goes out over WhatsApp instead of email or SMS. Under Select User Type, choose Assigned User. This routes the notification to whoever is assigned to the contact, which is perfect for speed and accountability. If your process is different, you can explore other user types later, but Assigned User works great for most teams. In the message box, type the WhatsApp notification your teammate should receive. Keep it clear and actionable. You can include helpful details like the contact's name, the tag that fired, or the next step you want taken. Personalization tokens in GoHighLevel make this easy and help your message be immediately useful. When your message looks good, click Save Action. Finally, click Save at the top to save the workflow itself. Your automation is now ready. When a contact gets the selected tag, your assigned user will receive a WhatsApp notification right away. If notifications don't arrive, double-check that the user has WhatsApp enabled, the correct number on their profile, and access to the location. That's it. Simple, fast, and reliable internal alerts directly in WhatsApp so your team can respond in real time.